Hello friends, my today's topic operating procedure of ERVA Chem5 and determination of serum creatinine. Now we are discussing about the parts of the analyzer. This is printer. This is display. This is keyboard. This is photometer cover. This is aspiration pipe. This is aspiration switch. Now we are discussing about how will you power on the analyzer and run a parameter. First of all, power on the switch. Now this is the display. If you run a parameter, press 1. Then I will go to creatinine because I will run creatinine. Now aspirate water. Press the aspiration switch. Estimation of creatinine by alkaline picrate method manufactured by Bacon. These are my reagents R1 and R2. R1 is buffer reagent and R2 is picrate reagent. This is my creatinine standard concentration 2 mg per dl. These are my samples serum. Now we are performing creatinine testing. First of all, take clean dry test tubes. Then label 2 test tubes as S for standard and another all the test tube as per PID number of the patient, label them. Then add 500 microliter R1 in all the test tubes. Now add 500 microliter R2 in all the test tubes. Then take 50 microliter standard and wipe off the outer surface of the microtips. Add in the solution, mix well and read the initial absorbance. (30 seconds) and interval 120 seconds. Now read the absorbance, save it. Yes. After that, take 50 microliter standard. Now it is used as sample. Wipe off the outer surface. Then mix it in the solution and read the initial absorbance. Result is 2.0. Our standard concentration is also 2.0. Now it's okay. Now take one sample, 50 microliter, wipe off the outer surface and mix it and read the initial absorbance. Your sample result is 0.6. Write it in your register. If you want to change your parameter, first of all rinse the machine properly. Press the wash button and rinse the machine. After that, press the reset button. If you want to add any parameter, press the 2 button. Then you can add any parameter. Press the enter button. Then as per literature, you can add. Now then again press reset button. If you want to power off the analyzer, then rinse the machine properly. Press the wash keypad and rinse the machine properly. After that, again press wash button to stop the wash. Then power off the machine.